Hey Build Force, congratulations on building your first Gunpla. In this video, I'll show you how to easily enhance the details on your Gunpla by using Gundam Markers. This video is brought to you by Gunpla SA, South Africa's favorite place for Gunpla, related tools, supplies, resources, community and so much more. Check out gunplasa.com. So, you have built your first Gunpla. That's just the beginning. There's so much more you can do to your kits to make them look even better. Each part often have surface details that can be enhanced to make the model visually pop on your display. If you're new to the hobby, one of the easiest and cheap way to enhance those details is by using Gundam Markers, the fine tip type for panel lines. These type of Gundam markers come in 3 colors: black, grey and brown. Okay, here I just have the black and the grey. I've lost my brown somewhere. So why the 3 colors? Well, there's a purpose for each. Essentially, the purpose of using markers or other tools and methods are to simulate shadows on the surface details, to create a bigger sense of scale and realism. And that's where the 3 colors of Gundam markers come into play. In real life, shadows are never flat black. So for the lighter pieces, such as white, use the grey marker. Black will be too strong and create too much of a contrast, making your model kit look more toyish. Unless that's your intention, then go for it. The brown marker is designed to be used on warm colored parts, for example, yellow, red, etc. Then the black marker is designed to be used on darker pieces, such as blue, greys, and so on. So how do we use the Gundam markers? Well, very easy. Just fill in the surface details, panel lines, and so on. Don't worry about making a mess and going out of the details and lines. We'll clean them up easily. If you're not feeling too confident when you're starting out, you can use spare pieces or ink the parts that's not as visible. So like, for example, the bottom of the feet or behind the shield, as some example. So for cleaning, I personally prefer just using cotton buds. You can also use an eraser or your finger. With cotton buds, the fibers loosen after some use and can get into tighter spaces compared to using an eraser or finger. Ideally, it's better to use Gundam markers while you're first assembling the kit, so you don't have to disassemble the parts with pieces blocking the way. Also, this is a good example to showcase it's better to do the panel lining before you apply the sticker decals, because the sticker decals might be blocking certain details, or when you clean up with your cotton buds, it's agitating the edges of the stickers. I find the process of inking the surface details can be therapeutic. It slows you down and allows you to better understand your model kit's design and appreciate the details created by the designers of each kit. Do you feel the same way too? So the process of enhancing surface details and panel lines with Gundam markers is quite a process. So do it while you're multitasking with your favorite videos, music or snacks. Enjoy the process. And there, finished. Easy, hey? Can you see the difference? So, if you want to just get one Gundam marker to try out, I would suggest get the black. It is more versatile. However, using a combination of the 3 colors will have a big difference and a noticeable result. Have you used these type of Gundam markers before? Which colors have you used? What's your experience with them? Let us know in the comments. Keep in mind that using Gundam markers is only just one of the ways to enhance details. There are so many other ways. Let us know what is yours. So, what's next? In the next video, I'll show you easy ways to enhance high-grade kits, for example the safety flags on V-fins, and how to separate the front skirts so they can move independently. Hope you found value in this video. Give the video a like, subscribe and bell for future videos. So until next time guys, keep building joy.